Hi, and thank you for taking a moment for this quick look at 32Soft's LBOX, a flexible solution for automating your outbound documents. As we know, ERP runs on data, lots of data. Data that is continually updated and relied upon by teams and individuals who need timely data. Here is a look at a traditional outbound document process. It is manual, which makes it more error-prone. Delivery time is slower, which in turn slows payments. It is most definitely not scalable, and it is typically not a desirable process. In a nutshell, LBOX is a quick and easy way to automate ERP information sharing by automating document generation and distribution. Who will benefit? End users who no longer have to run reports manually because they can be scheduled to run automatically in batch mode. IT who no longer need to be involved in the process at all. Teams, especially those who may not have access to ERP data. Customers, suppliers, partners, management, anyone who relies on ERP data will benefit. How does LBOX work? There are two components. First, there is a shell script placed on the server. The second component is the LBOX system service itself. It can be any Windows platform, workstation, or server, either virtual or physical. Once the shell script and LBOX service are in place, your ERP system produces the output in text format. A static PDF template is created by your organization or ours if you prefer. Then, LBOX overlays the text onto the template, producing this professional document that is ready for distribution. Let's look at auto-invoicing specifically. Recipients of the automated invoices must be flagged in your ERP system, and email addresses must be specified, but as many as you need. If your ERP system is QAD, for example, your current process would be to run 7.13.3 or 7.13.12 to produce the output. Then your staff needs to fold, stuff, seal, and send by regular mail. But with the auto invoice set up, emails will be generated with the attachment and sent to the email addresses specified, and only those addresses. You still have the option to continue the manual process should any recipient opt out of the automated process. So now, your step 1 is the auto invoice process that generates an email, and your step 2, if needed, is your former process. Here is a look at the email with the attached invoice. At the top is the title of the invoice, which is configurable however you'd like it to appear in the outgoing email. The name of the PDF attachment is configurable as well. The body of the email can be generic as you see here, or you can have a more personalized message, maybe Dear Paul or Dear Linda. And logic can be added to the body of the email, perhaps thank you for your previous payment. LBOX is flexible enough so that you can use logic to pull from the account or history. LBOX can generate and distribute PDF documents, PDF, Excel, or text reports, emails, both mass generic and mass personalized. Here are some common examples of what you can automate with LBOX. Invoices, price lists, letters, debit-credit memos, purchase orders, supplier schedules, and more. Really, there is no limit. LBOX is fabulously flexible and can be used for any ERP output. What are the benefits? When you release resources, you save labor hours. You eliminate errors when you eliminate manual effort. You reduce costs and increase your bottom line by saving on paper, envelopes, postage, and labor. You will enjoy scalability and flexibility because LBOX grows with you. You'll improve your company image with professional-looking and personalized documents and email. You'll give valued partners what they want. You'll find that most prefer an automated process. Are you ready for a trial? For more information about this and other productivity tools from 32Soft, or to start your complimentary 60-day trial of LBOX, give us a call, visit our website, or email us at contact@32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity solutions and for checking out this LBOX presentation.